Hi. Kia ora. My name is Hannah.
And more after WINTON School, I'm Madi. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Ramere, the 31st of July.
Right on. Ramere is one of my favourite days. Hot chocolate, sausage, sizzle and library day.
You know it, and I can't wait to get there and browse around for some sweet weekend reading.
Okay, on to te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is ātaahua,
which is te reo for beautiful, as in kete ahua ahau. I am beautiful.
No, you're not. I am.
Yeah, whatever.
Okay, most students are doing the right thing and wearing their Hi Viz vests to and from school. Please do likewise.
House leader news. You have a meeting with Mr. T in the group room at morning tea time. Kia ora.
In school council, you are meeting at the earlier time of 12:40. Please be on time.
Jump jam. All workshop students, please meet Mrs. Shaw in room 6 also at 12:40. Thank you.
Football news. All years 6 to 8 girls interested in playing in a WINTON School soccer team, please meet in room 13 at interval.
Mr. T's problem solving team, meet in the group room at 12:40 please. You might be solving the problem of how to have 2 meetings in the same place at the same time.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the textbooks below.
Hello.
Where did Madi go?
I'm coming up. Woo! Felt like I was coming up the stairway to heaven. 2 birthdays at WINTON School today. Riley Green turns 10. Jazz hands.
Devin Thompson is turning 7.
Sam Jukes has a birthday tomorrow. The big hero 6.
Happy birthday, everyone.
And that's all for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite ātaahua wiki.
Stay clean, stay dry, and have a fabulous weekend, WINTON School.
Stay